We touch the road with the hardest lag. When we touch the road with the hardest lag. So like
Them girl one bad boy with cute face, lash up head with a few nice ways.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And we're back in effect with another guy in his reaction here about. I'm telling you, wanna support me. I'm sure no one want to see. I'm gonna stop saying that reach 30,000 subscribers. So subscribe to the boy channel. You did me a say. Right now we have HARDBALL, Gully Ras, and Thoven. I'm not gonna spoil anyone's name. Nobody's name is spoil, but you know the song already. You see me I say so yeah. Don't know. Them stuff react to the song, the music video. So I do it. You see me I say what is? Love bump. That's so much guy and this girl love me. Lord one. I want to go in a chat shop. People like the video. Comment on this video to see your comment. Your comment in the next video that I post. I don't post every single day. Numerous times for the day. You understand? You understand what I just said to you a while ago, right? Or you overstand? Make sure you overstand and not even understand the cause man think different. But what we gonna do? Run tune! You the song there?
Yo, Kush.
Okay, now, my G.
Walk one, brother.
You buy there now, you know.
Where's the road?
Night talking. Link the one through though, you outside. You know.
Alright, those are 40.
You that feel smart. One bad boy. Voila, wait, pass. No, voila, that not gonna pass me here, them, so. I been see I drive me down the road. I get the whole the girl over Guyana. I don't like. Chumija will listen now, want me. Chumija will listen now, call me Sadar. Oh, alright, Miss Guyana's ladies, them. It's alright.
Calm down.
BMW too.
every time the road feel dead, me and my dogs bring life.
Yeah, what?
Every pretty girl see me,
what?
wanna be my wife.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, we have a clean, we have a fresh. We make a girlfriend pussy wet. When we
Man said ever clean, ever fresh. You make our pum pum wet up. Professional girls they call them man ya. Professional girls. Go on. You put up serious a real boss me here while you gonna play. Make it real boss. You can't tell song that we can see a real boss me here. No, that hold on, pause. I think I got different video of Bumbo that fireworks are going for that side and baiting. What on there? I want to go on there, sir. Go on.
when we touch the road with the hardest lag. When we touch the road with the hardest lag. So line up yourself, girl, you're pretty. Count 3, 4, 5, kitty.
There.
Real my dad, we heavy.
There.
Beer champagne, cause we cash flow plenty.
Now, we're not let me watch him. Like you're a rock star. And fireworks are going beside it. Well, look, it does look, but I like, look, you play the role quite right. That's a no joke. But the video you go on so HARDBALL. Yo! Question of the year. Watch this tell you. Why mask have look like panties, so dog? The material like a panty material to blood clot. I know why like a girl if I sit in my car. I don't know at time. Because I say I'm Josh left in that. But HARDBALL! Right, June.
Touch the road with the madness, dog. If you come round here with your mask, there, dog.
Yeah.
Change your like close, cause we heartless, dog.
Yeah.
Marble floor with apartments, dog.
Sure.
Yeah. My whole life is a party. When the place locked up, they couldn't never stop me. You can't click like how we clean and saucy. Burn up me DM, she naughty.
Full level.
Touch the road with the hardest,
Yeah.
when we touch the road with the hardest.
I sit down on me and this time me I driving a dog. You can't sorry for me. You can't sorry for me, dog. No, dog, you need to sorry for me now, brother. I want to this time me driving a dog. Fuck it, dog. No, only can't sorry for me.
So line up yourself, girl, you're pretty. Look out 3, 4, 5, kitty. With the real bad dad. Yeah. Beer champagne, can we cash flow? Big fat drip on my neck. And she lick that dog. And she love diamond, that's my real mad dog.
Yeah.
Too tough, no matter fight that dog.
Yeah.
Me real tough. Yeah, me thing real tough. And you have the rock and she love that. Champagne down she back when she back shot.
Yeah.
Slap when she clap when she love that.
Yes, it's just a champagne in her back, cute. Slap it up. Now, virgin, what am I try? Her tune.
Yeah, man, it's dog, but she love this dog.
Yeah.
Touch the road with the hardest dog. Let me touch the road with the hardest dog. So line up yourself, girl, you're pretty. Look out 3, 4, 5, kitty.
Yeah.
The real bad dog. We have it. Beer champagne, can we cash flow?
You see, they have to roll the right way. Come here, they throw me a champagne for yourself and be a rum.
Rhythm maker. See it?
Man. Why egg ball is dead, so? Like, egg ball, that's already in the place, red. Tyree, that's already in the place. Can't become one name, dog. I what's a bad freestyle again? I can't freestyle again. But egg ball is already in the place, red. Reaction boss is already in the place, red. Clash Ike man, I run the place. Red. Me hear when I say, when I subscribe, big up on yourself. Subscribe to the channel, you don't know the chap, you know. You don't know the chap, you know. Subscribe to the channel, you don't know the chap, you know. You did me? 30,000 subscribers I go for before the year done. I'm out.
Chain for the neck and gun for the waist. Dip that car with two long
Yellow what? Sadara. Them yellow one no egg ball. Wait, it's with the girl them what? Sat up on bicycle up on the XR. Plop. Got that your coach. Some girl do already going for the looks. Some like the hyper like on Facebook. Some people rich, some people garbage. Look, I do it by folks. I like the sweet girl from Guyana.
Blood clot walk with me, can't think now. Them girl want bad boy with cute face. Wanna say? Fuck wanna feel like? Wanna feel like? You feel like? Fuck wanna feel like? My car tent! Subscribe. Right now, if you don't subscribe it. You see, it's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. Why am I look like somebody's grandfather? No, hold on, pause. Why do I look like someone's grandfather with this on my hair? But, you see, it's a whole vibe. Subscribe. It's the mostly channel on YouTube in the entire Caribbean right now. The mostly channel in the world. I'm telling you. Trust me. My glass on there from the start. Make sure it's on there forever. Whole heap of things are forward.